everybody, my name is MJ and I'm gonna teach you how to control a DC motor with a breadboard. So in this project we're gonna need a few materials like a breadboard and a power supply module and a 5 voltage DC motor and a blue LED light. You can use any LED of your choice. I just choose a blue because it is my favorite color. And a push switch. And we're gonna need a bunch of jumper wires. You don't need many jumper wires because this is a simple project. So let's get started. We're gonna connect the power supply module to the breadboard. We're gonna make sure it is plugged in. Take some jumper wires and connect them to the breadboard. And take the wires from there. So now we're going to connect the components to the breadboard. So let's test if it is working. Fingers crossed, guys. It is working, as you can see. Now we're gonna see you with part 2.